Hey, good news for all the NPTEL learners. The exam registration has been extended till August 18 until 5 p.m. Only 3 days left. So if anyone has not registered for the exam, register soon. So all the process of NPTEL exam registration I have been given in my previous video. So check out in the description or in the I button, or I will post it in the end screen. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Namswell, your go-to place for latest job updates, internship updates, career tips and opportunities you don't want to miss. So check out my videos from my channel, and if you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button because your one subscribe will make me keep going. So some of the common doubts I was getting in the previous video is, after the personal information, the next page says that your file couldn't be accessed. What to do? You can mail to this email, or you can just refresh the page, try to relog in and start the process again. And same doubt another person also got, and someone kept like document verification still in process for last announcements. So if you're getting that round symbol, then it is verified, it is not loading. Okay, I will show you the example. If you're getting like this, see, if for this if you're getting like this half circles for passport and signature, you should get like this. You should get like this, otherwise they are not approved. If you are not able to approve, then contact the support team. I will give it here or in the description below. Contact the support team. And these are half circle only, these are not necessary, so check it once. And one of you have asked, can we refund the examination fee? So yes, you can refund, but before the deadline, I will show you the refund process. Already I have said in my short video, but here I will mention it again. So please check it. So go to this website NPTEL Swayam, then click on sign in, then sign in with the Google, then click to register for certification exam. Click on courses. Then see, here you can see the info, and also if you want to refund, then you can click on refund. So this is the refund process. And some mentioned that they are getting error near photo upload and other upload like that. So if you are getting error, then it might be compression problem. You can compress it in any website from the Google. They have mentioned the size limit, right? Like 50 MB or something they mentioned, right? According to that, your photo size or Aadhaar card size should be. Then only it will be verified, or then only it will be considered. And another person asked, my payment was already debited, but still payment status was pending. Once check your portal what it is showing, or just mail to the support team. Send email to this mail ID. They can resolve the issue. Or once refresh it and start again, it might be possible once go through it. So next one is, I made a mistake in info, how to change it. You can click on edit before the last date only, you can change this. That is name, DOB, photo, signature, or SC or ST and PW certification. After the last date, the additional fee of rupees 200 will be applicable. So check before the deadline, and change the detail which you want to change. And here I want to tell you that here you can only upload again Aadhaar card or anything, but you can't upload again your photo or signature. And some of you have asked how much late fees will be applicable. So it will be nearly 500. So one of you have asked, the registration failed, within how many days you can get the refund. So if money has been detected, it will be automatically refunded within 5 to 7 working days. And in my upcoming videos, I will share how to pass the NPTEL exam and how to score good marks. So stay tuned for that video, and I will also tell about my previous exam experience in my upcoming video. So stay tuned for it. And one of my suggestion would be, try to complete, if you're enrolling for 12 weeks, then try to complete 8 weeks exam, I mean assignment. And if you are registering for 8 weeks, compulsorily you need to complete 6 weeks assignment. So make sure you're completing the assignment, and completing the assignment is very important to pass the NPTEL exam. So if you score well in this, then you can easily pass your overall exam. So focus on the assignment. You can keep the answers of the NPTEL assignment by checking the materials given in the portal. So that's all for today's video. If you have any doubts regarding this video or any other video from my channel, you can drop them in comment box. I'll surely reply to it. And don't forget to check the video on exam registration process for NPTEL. And if you found this video helpful, then hit the subscribe button. See you in next video. Till then, bye bye.